says, at Taylor Swift fans, we received your comments with great joy and await to contact the singer's people.
Red light run, red light run.
No.
We got a blank space for a red light run. Just shake it off, shake it off. It's a red light run. They were talking about Taylor Swift on the thing, so I had to sing Taylor Swift. Sorry! I know you guys don't like her. Some of you.
Thinking that was a very unhealthy dynamic.
Nope,
and situation
it's not 6 o'clock yet.
Going on there, and I've listened to you talk on your podcast.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
The year 2023, and again, there's no wrong way to spend the holidays.
Die for the right,
Christmas,
left turn lane,
that's the name of the
left turn
holiday.
lane.
You can call it whatever you want.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
I don't think there's any wrong way to spend the holiday unless you are in denial of yourself, your authentic self. I think that's wrong.
Backup of
Don't
shame.
beat yourself up too much. I think struggles are part of
Are
it.
listening again, and exactly what you said of, wow, we didn't really put the pieces together back then of what an
Oh, nice
unhealthy
cutoff.
relationship this was.
Should've let him
like.
pass.
I know Sharon has a lot to say on that.
So that gets me, this is a star that looked like the sun. Right. Okay. But if I get a triangulated distance to a star that's not like the sun,
Like the ground floor of the sun.
like ground floor or any other red giant,
Red giant.
triangulated.
Holy crap, that's stupid.
Now I
Why would you
find
go
another star
past
like
him in that lane?
And then I can apply this.
Pass fail.
I know.
This is unbelievable.
This is good.
What? You know what? What he hasn't done is he hasn't turned the ball over. He's taken sacks. He's held the ball too long, which all young
What are you
quarterbacks do.
doing?
But
Left
he
turn
hasn't
regret.
turned the ball over to his credit.
Toyo turd.
And he's
That's the type of people. But Tom, let's talk. Tom, why don't you read this tweet thread
No,
that
stop.
happens here?
Screwborough.
He retweeted some fucking emails that were actually about pizza with a fucking machine gun or whatever. Yeah, and then he said, "Whoops."
Red light
And then he got
run,
arrested.
red light
That was
run.
literally what
Nissan
happened.
driver ran the red lights.
Much but gratitude in return. Truly, you are the best. So, a big thanks to Mike B,
No, stop.
Maggie S, and Martin H, tossing us money for nothing. We also want to thank
Wake up. The wellness industry, I love this conveniently nebulous term, a $1 trillion plus industry where people are hawking.
No
all
left
kinds
turn
of
up
stuff,
there.
Most of
Really?
it regulated by the FDA. Franklin Graham came out whenever they finally dislodged the shit that was stuck. He's like, the Lord, we prayed and it has been dislodged. It's been like a week and a half.
Left turn lane
and
dive.
Of course, they were waiting for the tide.
Paul author this epistle, and it went through every epistle. And for the genuine part of the
nice
epistles,
cutoff.
like nobody said no.
That
or
could have
I
been
don't
playing
know.
better.
3 answers were yes, no, or I don't know.
Bless Satan's work with Henry and God's
Dude, are
comment
you going to stop
about
or
it.
what?
Gonna bless that man in prison who...
Until we finally picked it up. Nixon himself was on the other side of the lawn. At 9:17, Dean walked dejectedly into
Exit
the president's
dive.
private office in the executive office building and find him sitting in a smoking jacket.
Job. The big bro guy ended up getting a job too, but not handling money. Funny that, eh? You
And
know
red
who
light
else hired
run,
me?
red light run, red light run.
Attention of millions around the country. More importantly, from my little perspective, they had the attention of every adult in my
Really?
house. As a kid, all you want is for adults to pay attention to you and take you seriously. So to me, that was just as important. One nice benefit of the program, however, was I really liked my classmates. I started to make new friends, including the Thursday Hangout crew. Me, Clay, Katrina, Carly, and the journalism.
He took the turn a little too slow, I guess.
Uncontainable Energizer Bunnies.
It seems to be, the flavor seems to be, if they disagree with us, regardless of what the video's about, somehow trans kids get brought into the mix. And
I don't know why.
And
Just
like
always
LGBT people being groomers, like that seems to come up more, I find.
And our videos have nothing to do with trans.
Yeah, through this whole sequence, no one was behind me at all. Really?
Cruelty. Now you're woke, and I've become. I got people
No,
coming
stop.
after me for the same reason. I feel like this is
Porsche.
even tempered. You know.
I've only worked with a couple of cuts. Other than that, everybody else has been aces. All right, shampoos. Oh no, you're gonna ask me about shampoos? Jesus Christ, what do I know about those?
Pass fail.
Huh? Maybe for my undercarriage there. Oh, gee.
With Catholicism, I think this is actually a really typical human thing to do. This happens.
There's a car right there.
This is why we celebrate.
Nice cutoff.
Easter and Christmas. It was now the religion of the state. They adapted to make it an easier transition for people, and I think people naturally do this. Look at our whole fucking society. There's no reason that we like celebrate Christmas and Easter, and that we have this very like Christianity-centric
exit dive.
calendar.
Really?
But we like.
Single game on the road. 0-6, part of the 1 and 2. So it ain't pretty. But it
Red light
usually
run,
is not.
red light run, red light run.
Placed in the loop. Then coming out, stepping on themselves again in the third quarter. And
No
all of a
stop,
sudden,
Postal
just
Service.
Like the Iron Bowl. Just like Milrow.
The fascination with mashups. It's like, oh my god, it's like you found two songs that were the same tempo. What is the fucking odds of that?
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
In that scenario, it ends up strengthening their belief in the thing because it feels like
Run under the stop sign.
Things that really mean you like, this is horrible, right? You have to like really take it hard, even though, you know, I didn't have.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on the thruway just outside of Albany and they don't allow trucks in the left lane here. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. And it's a rental too, so they didn't tell you that at the Enterprise office. So it's all their fault, I guess. Not as common sense. Whatever. So, you're in the video. You get the point. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time in the next video. Okay, bye!